G'day guys, it's Mick here. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the oil change light on the Pontiac G8 GT, or as the Aussies know, the VE Holden Commodore SSV. Anyway, it's pretty simple. So basically start with putting your key in, turn it to the on position, and then basically you're going to pump the accelerator 3 times, and then just turn the key off. And then when you put it back in, the message is gone. Now what I want to do, I'm going to put it into engineering mode real quick. So basically this button right here, so we're going to push that button, turn the key on, and it puts it in engineering mode. You can see like that. So you can basically toggle down. You can see all the different options right there. And you can see oil life. See, it says 99%, whatever it is, because now it's been reset. So anyway guys, that is it. It is very simple to reset the engine oil light. So yeah, just follow those steps. Now if you like the content, do me a favor and subscribe, and you know there's gonna be heaps more. Got to do a review on this thing yet, and please like the video if you like it and it helped you.